Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy sauteed yellow squash and onion. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need 2 yellow summer squash. I'm going to cut off both ends and then slice it. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. When I reach the thicker part in the middle, I just like to cut that in half, then slice it. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt. Now I'm going to add my squash to that. Half of a medium onion that I sliced, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. If you don't like so much black pepper, you can put a 1/4 teaspoon. Give that a stir and you're going to let that cook for 7 minutes. After the 7 minutes is up, I'm going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Give that a stir and you're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. And then you're done. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this. Perfect yellow summer squash and sweet onion. It's both comforting and delicious. I just love it. What else can I say? It's light, it's buttery, and full of flavor. So I hope you give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.